Good morning. Michael Mazarang here again, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about elevated moisture in crawl spaces. If you currently own a home in the Charlotte, North Carolina market or the surrounding counties, there's a good chance that your house is built on a crawl space. We've been getting a lot of rain lately. Combined with the excessive heat, customers start calling about crawl space moisture concerns, odors and smells, perhaps the development of microbial manifestation on the floor system. The main thing is, don't panic. There's a lot of information on the web today. A lot of that information is good, some not so good, some of it extremely poor. If you'd like to have an independent consultation about your crawl space, I'd be interested in speaking with you. There's a few things to look for when you're looking at a crawl space. Open up the crawl space door. What are the odors and smells like? Is the insulation tagging? Do you see any microbial growth growing on the joists? Do you see standing water? Often these challenges can be resolved simply by improving the foundation drainage on the structure itself, and we kind of work our way backwards through the process. Moisture problems are a result of poor air exchange in the crawl space. Your open crawl space vents can invite unwanted moisture into the crawl space environment in the summer. In the wintertime, those same crawl space vents invite good air into the crawl space environment. Every house is built a little bit differently. Some houses have worse ventilation problems than others. So it's important to have an independent professional like myself come and do an evaluation, take a wood moisture reading of the substructure, and check those areas such as the tagging insulation, check for microbial manifestation, check the condition of the vapor barrier. Vapor barriers are often disheveled and they get torn apart from years of abuse from contractors going in and out, not cleaning up their messes. All these things can be repaired at a relatively inexpensive cost. There's no need to be overcharged for things inside your crawl space that you don't need. I am not affiliated through any direct company. I do my inspections independently. Again, my name's Michael Mazarang, the independent foundation repair and waterproofing specialist, and I would love to talk to you about your challenges. We can have a brief phone consultation where we can discuss your symptoms and decide if it's probative for a site evaluation, which we can schedule at that time. Again, my number is 704-787-6972. My name is Michael Mazarang. You can leave me a voice message or you can reach me through my website, specialtyfoundationrepair.com, and communicate through the website if you wish. I appreciate you watching today, and I look forward to talking to you about crawl space moisture, and I hope you have a good rest of the day. Thank you for watching today. Take care.